No, once you hit 25, you are what? What Boosie say? If you make it to see 25, nigga, you are OG. Big purse.
Say, yeah. There you go. Say, I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I ain't find you, I give you all you need, and I know what you like.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I actually had the idea to start this vlog today, which is a Thursday, because I said I'll have stuff to post. And it's Saturday. I'm probably gonna find something to do. Get ready to give me something to eat, guys. So yeah, I just said I'll start this vlog because I'm probably gonna find something to do the weekend because I don't be having nothing to do, and most definitely want to film my sip and chill videos. I don't know, I might go by my mama though, y'all, but if I do, we'll have a good time, hopefully. I don't know. But anyway, so today is Thursday. I'm on my 1 hour lunch break from work, and so I'm about to give me something to eat because I gotta tell y'all about I gotta tell y'all. Yes, okay. I know I look ahead, y'all. To be honest, working from home is a plus for me. All I do is get up and go to work. Nope, I don't get in the tub or the shower all the time. And being that it is winter, I will not be doing it. I will not be doing that. Anyway, so this is my list holder thing I got from Burlington, y'all. Yeah, it come in handy. Brandon the one put it in my window, and I'm thankful and grateful for him for that. So anyway, y'all, I got a few stops to make. That's why I decided to just go ahead on and give me, I got a cheat meal today. Yes, I am following a book that I'm going to tell y'all about, but that's for another video. And it is an amazing book. Oh my God, y'all. The guy is amazing. I got to tell y'all about it, though. That's for another video. I'm just going to give myself time enough. I want to do it. I want to follow the book up until my birthday. So y'all got to pray for me because that's going to be hard. I want to follow the book up until my birthday, simply because I really need to lose weight. I'm trying to lose a lot of weight by, basically, I want to do this for me. So it's no offense to nobody, so don't nobody get offensive about nothing. I just want to lose the weight for myself. That's it. Yeah, so I want to lose a certain amount of weight though by my wedding, but I am trying to lose a decent amount by my birthday for some reason. I don't know why. It's just something that I want to do. And I did realize on the last vlog that's going to be posted before this one that the air was making a lot of noise, so I will turn it down. Yes, I'm going to turn it all the way down. Yeah. So right now I'm just going to give me something to eat. I'm going to go to KFC/Taco Bell because I got a taste for that, and then once I leave there, I'm going to go to the bank, sit in the parking lot, I mean in the line until they get to me. Hopefully they don't take long. Hopefully KFC don't take long. And I just think it'll be best because I can be eating my food while I'm in the line. Hopefully it's no long line because this bank is slow as hell. All I have to do is make a deposit. No withdrawal. Make a deposit. Oh shit. Let me start my stupid head down. But yes, all I have to do is make a deposit. So, ooh, I might need to go to the bank now. Oh no, y'all, I'm gonna go to the bank now. I'm gonna go to the bank now. Hell yeah, y'all, they ain't got nobody in the line. Screw that. I'm gonna go to the bank now. I'm just on here because I'm trying to see why y'all ain't tell me that once you change your iCloud plan, well, I ain't asked y'all, but still, once you change your iCloud plan, they go to acting stupid. Cause y'all, I changed my iCloud plan, and now it's talking about my storage. But before I even added a plan, I was straight. So I don't understand what's going on. But now I can't even download my vlog. And I know if I hadn't never changed that, I would have been able to download my vlog. For one, they charge you for every damn thing now. I don't know what this is on TV. But anyway, so yeah, what I was telling y'all is I get a cheat. I don't know if he was using the lens. I be trying to watch the video while I'm working. I have my phone sitting in front of me while I'm working. Now I'm around this bitch struggling trying to find a basket. Look at this damn traffic. Look at this. Look at this shit. Anyway, I'm around this bitch trying to find a damn basket, y'all. And the bag got a whole basket sitting outside. I just left Dollar General. So I'm headed back to the crib. I really wasn't trying to get in a lot of shit. I came out for 3 simple things, and those were just the things that I was missing. For my shrimp fried rice, that is what I'm cooking tonight. Big purr. Now I hope they ain't got their dumb asses in the middle of this road blocking the road. All right, let me through. Yo, let me through. Cause y'all ain't supposed to block the road. Yeah, get behind somebody else, cause there ain't shit I could do. Yeah, move the fuck up. Anyway, these motherfuckers cannot even drive. Like, you can't. But anyway, so I'm headed to the crib. Yeah, and I'll be back, y'all, once I do my shrimp fried rice, which hopefully won't take me long. I do have to work out and I have to study. Y'all know it's an everyday thing. But I'm gonna start making it to where I probably end up just studying over the weekend, because I have to do so much throughout the week. If I have to focus on every day studying, working out, and whatever else I have to do, I don't have no time to like make out for days that I'll need to actually cook my food, like dieting, all of that. It does take focus, especially when you don't have your stuff prepped and when you don't have the correct items, you know, to have on hand. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is probably picking out certain days to study, picking out certain days of the week, you know, to cook and prep, whatever. I don't know. So I gotta figure that out, y'all, because this ain't gonna work for me. I do too much. There's no point in being organized when you got so much to do in one day. When you know you work most of the day. When you get out of work, you're talking about working out. Then you're talking about cooking. Then you're talking about studying. Like, you have no time for nothing else. She dropped her bag off her cup. But anyway, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to cook my food. I'll probably be back once I'm done cooking. I can't wait to see y'all. So show y'all. I can't wait to show y'all. Real chicken, I'm about to get ready to cut that up to go in the rice. Then I'm about to pull my rice out. And I'm going to show y'all when I come back and show y'all the finishing product. Okay, y'all. I'm watching Gina Janine, so I hope she's not talking too loud in the background. Janine. Sorry. So I got a package. I'm gonna tell y'all. I got me a package, a girl. While my food is cooking on low, I just wanted to show y'all my package. Look at me. I'm telling y'all, I don't be caring. Brandy got mail. And I got a package. So it is my waistband. It is my waistband. So happy to have it, y'all, because now I get to start training my fucking body. Yes. Okay, and they gave me a little 10% off. Yes, I can't wait to. This is actually my first time ordering from them. This is a package that it came in. This is a band that I think is adjustable, so that's why I got it. I don't have to throw it away. Like, you know how we order certain sizes? We order small, medium, large. This band here, it doesn't matter. I can, once I lose weight, I can keep using it, and I can keep using it. it is a certain way that you step in it or something. So I gotta go watch another video to see how they do it. But yeah, I just know that it's adjustable. So I can't wait to wear it. And see, it goes from extra small to 1, 2, 3, 4X large. Like, oh my God, I can't wait. But y'all, I am cooking, and the meal that I'm cooking, I have to keep mixing and stuff. So let me show y'all the process. My mixed vegetables that I'll be putting there. I'm gonna fry these 2 pork chops. But I got all this meat right here. And then I'm just wanting these. I kind of want these to just get a little browner, but I'm burning the pot, so I need to add more oil. And I got these cooking over here. So it's gonna be a lot of meat. Get this girl because you see 2 pork chops. We had pork chops yesterday. That's not really the deal. You can't be eating all the pork chops. So yeah, I'm about to add some more oil because this is a pot that I'll have to put my like I was saying, this is the pot that I will put my rice and stuff in. So I'm gonna turn it down some. I don't want it to cook too high. So I'm gonna add some more oil. And yes, I am using my coconut oil. It's going. It's liquidy. So yeah, this is what I'm cooking, y'all. Cooking some shrimp fried rice with pork chops, and that's basically it. But my shrimp fried rice will not be your ordinary shrimp fried rice. You won't just be getting the shrimps and the rice and the vegetables and the onions. You'll be getting grilled chicken, and I think that's a lot. Y'all, I'm gonna throw this away. I'm good. I'm gonna be back. I'm hungry. I'm gonna be back. Once I get them.
What's here with it? It's your boy B, you hear me? I'm straight from, not Centerville.
Centerville.
I'm from Homer, Louisiana.
I don't know what he claimed that shit
and
for.
And she from Homer too.
No the fuck I ain't.
Yeah, she is.
I don't know what he claimed that shit for, nigga. You should have said New Orleans.
But I ain't from no goddamn New Orleans.
You ever said that?
I'm from Homer.
What the fuck is Homer?
Homer, nigga.
I ain't know nothing about no Homer town.
Shut up. Huh?
You trying to put that there?
You said I don't know nothing about no Homer.
I ain't know nothing about Homer time, met you.
Oh. Well, what's that mean the way you heard me? I'm about to drop a couple hits, you heard me? I used to say this back in the day.
Ooh, Lord.
But now this shit finna explode. No joke.
Who's trying?
For real, son.
So hard.
Trying. You right, I'm fucking trying. Trying to make it.
Not exactly how I want it to be, but it's actually darker. It looks really light on the camera, but it's actually darker. How about it? I'll take a picture and show you guys. Good morning. Go Buffs. This is me working from home, y'all. So I'm coming here this morning, Friday morning. I'm so freaking tired. I'm not tired, I feel good. I have my green smoothie. Some fruit and some water. We here. Styling. Voicemail still counts as the call. To working in Stroud, Oklahoma, job number fit in this position, please give us a call back. I actually have 2 computers sitting here, y'all. 1, 2. What's up, y'all? y'all. So your girlfriend is back here, y'all. I'm off work. Thank you, Lord. Off of work. I finally get my weekend because it's been rough. Woo. But anyway, y'all, so me and my little niece is supposed to go get drinks, kind of just celebrating her passing her nursing exam so that she can move on to be getting set up to graduate. But she hasn't texted me back, so I don't know what she's going to do. But I'm not going to cancel out because I've been wanting me a drink. I want to try some of Crab Queen's new drinks. And I don't even know why I'm going today, because tomorrow it's going to be a light day for me. Like tomorrow I ain't got nothing planned, nothing to do. So I know 9 times out of 10 I'm probably going to wash. I'm probably going to wash. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just leaving out of my complex. Just give me a few moments and I'll be back. You know, you have to watch what you post because it's just too much going on in this world. Too much trafficking, and I ain't worried or nothing. I'm just being careful and being safe, because even though you have protection, you don't want to have to use it unless you have to. So I'll be back. Hold on, I'm gonna pop back up here soon as I get on the road. I don't want to put my partners on here. Since this car want to be stupid and drive all up behind me, I'm back. Oh yeah, I'm glad I'm in this lane anyway. I'm gonna stay over here because I need to go to the bank. I ain't got no cash on me. I don't want to keep using my bank card, bro. Anyway, y'all, so I'm headed to the bank before I head to this place. This place is literally like 10 to 15 minutes from me. Thank God I'm all gassed up, so all I gotta do is go there. Plus I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go sit down. Even if I'm by myself, I'm gonna just the vibes, big purr. Plus I need to reserve for my birthday, y'all, because I'm planning to go to the same place for my birthday. I'm supposed to have some people to come with me because I'm only going for like 3 to 6, and like later that night I want to chill. I want to go somewhere that night because I got a dress. I got this lady making me a dress, y'all. I might film. I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk Brandon into filming, y'all. I can't. Like, I'm turning 25, so y'all know. Once you hit 25, you are what? What Boosie say? If you make it to see 25, nigga, you are OG, big Perk. So I feel like this car beside me is trying to watch and see what I'm doing. I feel like they really trying to watch and see what I'm doing. Now they just passing. Anyway, weird. See, I'm telling y'all, these people got that weird shit. So yeah, y'all. Like I said, I don't have nothing planned for tomorrow. This thing ain't holding its phone up for nothing. So it might be getting raggedy. I don't know. I'm about to get ready to stop though. Okay, I got it, y'all. It was loose. The thing was loose, so I had to tighten it up. I really tightened it up. But anyway, so I'm in a line at the bank. I'm about to get ready to give me some cash at the bank because I don't like to walk around broke. I don't like to walk around with no cash. You just never know when you may need cash on hand. So I'm about to give me some out here because I just want it in my wallet. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm gonna go ahead on and go to this place for a couple hours, maybe. You never know how long. And then I'm gonna show y'all once I make it. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. I'm gonna show y'all, you know, my food, because I'm probably gonna give me something to eat. And I'm gonna give me a nice fucking drink. I don't know. I like the Apple Crown drink, but I really want to taste one of their drinks, y'all. I want to taste one of their drinks that they be making. y'all, when I say they, what the fuck am I doing? Now I'm gonna have to edit that out. I'm tripping. I was just putting my card and I did it again. Put my card up here. But anyway, so yeah, I want to taste their drinks that they be posting on their Instagram. Last time when me and Brandy came here, well, I've been here like 2 times, so this will be my 3rd time. But the first time me and Brandy came, I got an apple crown. Ooh, yeah, I can't drive. I'm hitting the thing. Yeah, I got an apple crown. Ooh, I can use this on my thumbnail. So I'll be back, cause ooh. Already dug in. So this big head girl finally made it. She's supposed to be in here. I think she got in the tub and everything. Oh Lord. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all know you can't be in front of TV because y'all know we having issues. Oh shit. Don't look at my house. Anyway, I know the neighbors saw me close the window blinds on them. But anyway, y'all, so y'all, I just left Crab Queen, came to the crib, and it was like a smell in here, and like I just got into cleaning mode. Like I smelled that fucking smell. I was like, oh fuck no. I don't know if it's from the trash or if it's from, I don't know, but I got into cleaning mode. Guess what? I got sweeping. Then after sweeping, my ass got to mopping, baby. Couldn't take it. But Crab Queen was good, y'all. That's always good. Just one of the workers walked past me. One of the bitch ass brought me up to go play. The bitch just walked past, kept on. That kind of irritated me because, bitch, I don't know how y'all waitresses do it, but don't be rude. How I can't stand his ugly ass. Baby, we got the hood out this bitch. We got the hood over here, and our little hood. Look at Brandon ugly ass.
Don't be showing my box.
Look at that. Look at his line. Look at his line, y'all.
Oh, look at crispy.
Who is Cookie?
Crispy. Look how I did it, y'all.
Anyway, so yeah, I got into cleaning mode, y'all. It was a smell when I walked in here. Brandon just don't be caring. He walk his crazy ass in him, and he just be like, F whatever. So I just got into cleaning mode. I just went to cleaning. But unfortunately, I'm gonna end this vlog because I want to do a sip and chill tomorrow. I don't really have nothing on the menu, nothing planned to do. So I know it's gonna be a laid back chill day. So that's why I'm gonna film my sip and chill. How about y'all say I do a sip and chill every Saturday? Probably not every Saturday. I've been having so much going on. It would have been good to do it tonight, but I'm vlogging, so maybe every Friday. No. I got too much coming up, no cap. I got my birthday, all that shit coming up. So just get it whenever y'all get it. Thank y'all for stopping by. My vlogs is about to be official because I'm getting a camera. I know it, I can feel it. I'm gonna get a camera. I love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna do the sip and chill. I'm gonna do the sip and chill soon.